Okay, so I was just saying that if you figured out your calling, be it meditation, be it prayers, be it spending more time with, devotional, religious stuff. Have you done that in the last 4 months? Give me a thumbs up if you have. Yeah, yeah, great, great, awesome. Your calling, great. I think it's been like, I mean, I've been repeating myself, and I don't mind doing that. It's the last 4 months or 5 months now has been like a blessing for, as people in different ways. I know there's a lot of money at stake. There's a lot of team and opportunities that's lost, but also personally, it's been a phase of growth, right? Understanding what your body, how is it made, what kind of practices you want to follow, everything. So looking at that, great. And okay, super. I'm going to extend it and start the official meeting at 4:30. Okay, last 3 minutes. Hi, Asha. I see you. Asha, you want to share something? So cool to have you here.
Yes, I think this is my very first meeting. Thanks to Mridula ji. She had connected me here. But yes, I have met most of you all. Some in physical when I came to Bangalore, since I'm from Bangalore.
Yes.
And कुछ लोगों से through IPA, VNI, many such platforms that we're networking. The best thing that happened in these 4 months is actually we've connected together with all the event professionals, and we have collaborated so well that they're no more any competitors for us. In fact, we collaborated and we are doing very good work. Like I learned many softwares, and we are doing virtual events where we've got testimonials from our corporates as well. So that is something very new that I have learned and excelled at it now.
Awesome. I think that's another great learning that for all of us, more than ever, it's the first time I think the event industry has come together like nobody's business. It just doesn't feel like there is competition. Quote kaun bhejega, who will send lesser, more. There's no money involved at this point.
Exactly. In fact, I feel that each one is helping another one out. Agar hum kisi se baat karte, any anchor also, if I speak to them, this Asha, not a problem. We'll do your event. Let's see. We'll talk about the money later. You talk to mimicry artist, he says that. Stand-up comedian, he says that. It's been a very good pleasure to actually interact with so many different categories of people for the events.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for sharing, Asha. Thank you. Asha is on Rockstar from Delhi, guys. Anything there, you can contact her.
Even can I share, Manasa?
Please.
Yeah, even I also introduced in my Rotary Club to Tushar Rajkumar. He's a very big magician. So yesterday there's no money involved, but in a virtual meeting, and everybody enjoyed a lot. So everybody is sending me testimonials for him, so that's this virtual platform is really very good. So and we all are learning too much from this platform actually.
I think as people from event space, we are the best part about us is adapting. I know all of us complained for the first 10 days where the pinch was really the hardest, like I think March end. But April, all of us are figuring it out. By May, we are through, and June, we are celebrating. Can you believe it? Like, I mean, what a curve, and so fast, right?
Yeah.
And like all of you have said, I think virtual is just, I think the closer.
Even there's an event in Claridge's. My niece got engaged. So everybody not from the Delhi, apart from the Delhi, everybody was enjoying the function on Zoom.
Correct.
That's they can't come, but everybody enjoyed the event. So that's also a very good thing for the virtual thing. So.
Great. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thanks for all the sharing, guys. It's been a very rich experience. Every time we have these sharing experiences, it only leaves me much more happier, thankful for knowing a lot of people who are doing amazing jobs and living their life, which is so cool, right? So, yes.
Yeah, I just had one point to add because I heard a couple of people talk about this right now. This is, of course, not part of the agenda, but maybe we can have a separate call about this. Artists, I think, need to be paid at this point of time. I'm really sorry for being very straightforward about it, but that's exactly what as GWN we're trying to promote as well. I know it's our own community and that we need to take their help once in a while, but eventually they are dependent on that earning. So yeah, let's try and promote.
Right.
paid shows for the
I'd like
artists.
to add to Siddharth Mansa that yes, giving too many freebies is going to spoil our market in the longer run. Okay, as even I talk as event planners as well as somebody who manages. We all look at artists also, and we need to respect their profession. Just because it is coming free of cost by not virtue of raw material, their raw material is their talent. So if we start misusing their raw material for our branding, so and giving them that carrot and carrot approach that next time when I get an event, I will call you for this particular event. So do it free of cost for now. I think we are actually killing the market of the artists. We are killing the market for ourselves as event planners too. So there are pros and cons of going virtual. It's just that how we utilize it. It is very important. And yes, at least the bare minimum. You should keep up. Keep up that little respect of your time, your effort, and your team's time and efforts of whichever artist you're involving. So you and later for today, if I do an event completely virtually, tickets, I'm not using much of thing. Zoom room mere paas already hai. I can do this. I can do that. I can do the hosting. I don't need to get an MC. I'm good at hosting. What we're giving the client an expectation is, chalo 3,000 or 5,000 rupees या zero cost में ये event हो रहा है.
Right.
Next time for the same event, when I'm going to charge them 50,000 rupees to 1 lakh, they'll tell Q, why? You can do it for 20,000. Last time you did it free, मैं at least 20,000 दे रहा हूँ तुमको.
Correct.
So in the long run, we may be killing our own markets.
Right.
Mansa,
Yeah.
Sia has joined from IIT-WP. Just
Sure. I'll just conclude. Thank you so much, Anita. Thank you so much, Siddharth, for sharing this. And I was just seeing the screen in the gallery view, and I could see all the heads going, yes, I agree. I know it's like a sentiment that is just, coming out for everybody, feeling that I think as event managers / wedding fraternity, all of us agree that artists have to get their respect and the money is involved. So we'll do that. We'll do that as an association as well. Thank you so much for sharing. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to take this opportunity to welcome Kidzia all the way from Mexico, who's here. She heads an association called IABWP. So it's a destination wedding planners association in Mexico, and they're doing some phenomenal work, connecting all over the world, and they are present everywhere, and they're in educating the wedding planners, they're building the network, they're helping the entire network grow as well. So Kidzia, so happy to see you here.
Thank you very much. I'm really honored. And first of all, congratulations for today. It's a big celebration for you. I can see everybody looks so beautiful. And yeah, I know. That's where I bring my Mexican. I know I'm sorry, I don't have an Indian attire, but that's where I bring my Mexican, just to honor your beautiful country with so much culture. And I'm really proud and honored to be here. And as you said, we are very, very, very happy to partner, and we have a lot of projects with the Global Wedding Network. And of course, we will be in your event in September, and we are here for you. And I'm sure that we will be able to develop a lot of international business in the next months. So thank you very much for having me, and it's really an honor to be here with you. Thank you very much, Manasa.
Thank you so much, Kidzia. Thank you. I know it's a very odd hour for you, and but still you've made an exception to be part of this team. We're all very excited to see you and hear more from you. The Redis Meetup is an extension of our, to showcase how GWN works. GW is an association. Global Wedding Network is an association of everybody from the wedding industry. There are about 32 categories of people who are part of this network all over India and all over the world. These meetups are an extension of just seeing each other by week, 2 times a month, to say hi, how is it going? We are there to be with each other and learn something from each other. Network, most importantly, to know what's happening around and how can we be of help for each other, right? I mean, I've got the best of people from this team who's like one call away for me, be it an MC, be it a DJ, be it an entertainer, be it another event manager. be it a decorator, whoever it is. So I treat this, and I'm sure all of us agree as well, like this as our extended team. You know, if I can safely say that, give me a thumbs up if you think it's an extended team for your wedding business. Thank you. Great. Thank you so much. Awesome. So moving ahead, I want to just quickly introduce, I'm going to take only 3 minutes time here, introduce the core team. Core team consists of Varun, the guy who started with the whole global wedding network idea. Varun, just say hi to everybody. Varun runs a company called Civex and
Hi,
Shadi
everyone.
Weddings. They are in Bangalore, Cochin, and Dubai. Yes, that's Varun Uday. Okay, and other partners are I have Siddharth Hegde, who is helping me with this entire thing. He's moderating. He's the CTO. He's the guy who will make sure all of us are in place. Okay, he's the guy with the scale. Okay, so then it is me, Mansa. I run a company called Center Stage Events and Wedding Chimes. It's a 13-year-old firm. I do corporate events and weddings mainly in Bangalore and anywhere in India, of course. Okay, so that's 4 of us as a core team, and we have an amazing lineup of zonal heads. We have about 4 zones. We have Akash leading the entire South India zone. Akash, say hi. Most of you will know Akash by now. He doesn't need an introduction, but as part of the protocol, I have to introduce him. Say hi, Akash.
Happy morning, everybody. Thank you so much, Mansa.
Yes, he is ably assisted by Vishak to handle the entire South India team. And then we have Pam, Pramodini and Neeraj leading the West India. Say hi, Pramodini.
Hi, everyone.
Yes.
And thank you for being here today.
Yes, I know. So cool. Pam is a choreographer, and can you believe it? I can only think of you mainly as a choreographer. Okay. And wedding planner, event manager, working out of Bombay. And Neeraj is from Vapi, another rockstar event manager, wedding planner from Vapi. Yes. Hi, Neeraj.
Hi, guys. Welcome to GWN. Let's rock it.
Yes. Then we have Mridula and Devanshi from North India. Mridula, please introduce yourself.
Yeah. Hi, everyone. So I'm Mridula Sangal. I'm into bespoke menswear. We groom the groom, the toe to head. So that's my forte. So, and Varun and me are associated since 3 years. We are associated together. So we know each other very well. So.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Great. And then there is Devanshi. Say hi, Devanshi, to everybody.
Hi everyone, welcome to GWN, and I am into marketing and a makeup artist. Also, I have a business of silver, jewelry and articles.
Great. Thank you so much. And then there is Rohit and Priyanka from West India. Are they here? If they are here, say hi. I don't see them. Okay, great. That's our zonal heads team. They're doing a fantastic job on a everyday basis to move this team to the next level, to take GWN one notch up higher. They're doing a great job regionally. So anything related to your region, if you belong to Chennai, you belong to Bhubaneswar, you belong to Jharkhand, Rajasthan, anywhere in India, these are the 4 people, anybody for that matter. Contact them. They will guide you with what's the next step and help you with this entire process. So GWN, I want to clarify a couple of things at this point in time, is not based or only for any certain network like Rotary, Lions, BNI, anything like that. It is for everybody from the wedding industry. So, and there are people in this group who are from wedding industry, any network. Okay, so please be open to introducing people from other, your industry, our industry for that matter, even if they don't belong to any network specifically. Okay, so super. Thank you so much for your patient hearing about all the people who are responsible for putting this show up. Now, based on
Mansa,
the feedback we've got
the RCs of South India as well. So Akash, can you just introduce all of them as well?
Please, go.
Yes, so I would love to introduce, though a couple of them are not present right here. Yogesh Shug, Sandeep Mallikarjun are the RCs of Karnataka, who are the regional coordinators for the entire Karnataka region. And then we have Sudha and Sudha for Chennai, Chris and Sejpati as well. We also have Prijo Jose and Adrian from Kerala and Goa, who are heading, and Amitav and Bobby for Telangana and AP, who are the regional coordinators for this entire South zone, because the Karnataka region has been the longest region in the existence for the Global Wedding Network. So these guys have been a real helping hand for all of us to grow the Global Wedding Network to whatever stage we are. So I would love to thank all my regional coordinators, Shockley RCs, from the bottom of my heart for the best of best contribution. And thank you so much.
Great. Thank you so much. Thanks, Akash. Yes, South India is one of the biggest regions, and all our groups are almost full with 250 people, Karnataka specifically, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. So we are forming different backup groups. So what we are going to do now is quickly move on to the next topic. The schedule for the evening is we are at 5:04. Now we will quickly talk about Espousal, our conference. After that, we are going to give like about 5 minutes time for Sunny to make all of us dance. And then after that, we are going to move into speed networking space before some announcements. Yeah, great. Thank you. So now we're going to move to the segment where we are going to talk about our event called Espousal. Espousal is happening in September 11th and 12th of September. It is a virtual wedding conference. Okay, virtual wedding conference happening, and we are the wedding industry partners. So what it is a GWN product. So I request number one, all of you have to attend the event by default because it is our event. Number two, we are going to take you through a 3D demonstration of how the entire, world of Espousal looks like. Take a look, understand, and if you have any questions after the event, you can reach out to me or Sid or Varun, three of us. Let me, please ask any doubts if you have on a personal video. I'll be able to arrange a one-to-one with you and take it forward from there. I'll tell you from what space, if I may suggest, if you can go through this 3D experience. Number one, from the space of wow, there is a new product altogether for you to understand how virtual conferences are done. Number two, from who can this be useful for? I'll tell you how. Because of this last couple of months, there's a lot of, work that people have done on marketing skills. They've developed their website, they've developed their Instagram page, they've gone live, etc. They need to show it to the bride and groom. I mean, what's the point of keeping everything ready? This will be an opportunity for anybody and everybody to showcase that they are ready. We're going to be having more than about 2,000 to 5,000 people who are going to be walking in through this virtual experience. So if you think you are ready or somebody else that you know are ready, to showcase it to the brides and grooms of the world. This is a global conference. We're having about 32 speakers from all over the world, basically from 18 countries coming in for this conference. So there is a lot of global exposure. There is a lot of space for one-to-ones. There's a lot of space for you to network with people from all over the world. So see that from that space, and also connect with me later if you have any suggestions, if you have any doubts, if you have any ideas, or names of people who you think this will be really useful for. Okay, great. Now, can you see it? Okay, great. So this is how the lobby will look like. The walkthrough is not working. I think that video is taking time to load on Zoom. So everybody will enter, and this is the main lobby area where there's an auditorium, there's an exhibition hall, and there's a networking lounge. So the sponsors, whoever will sponsor the event, will get a space on this banner and these two banners here. They'll get spaces on these, okay, which when clicked can move to their stall space, okay. So these are all the branding spaces available in a network, in the lobby area. This is the main area where most of them will come and land first. Okay, then they need to choose. There's a welcome video that will be playing here. It's playing even now. I don't want to take the risk of playing it. So then if they like what they see, there is a schedule mentioned saying which hour. There are about 32 like I said, speakers. So the auditorium sessions will be going on here. So this is the auditorium space where when they enter, there is a session happening here continuously through the day. It's on 11th and 12th of September. It starts at 10 o'clock in the morning. It is till 8 o'clock in the evening. This is the auditorium space where there will be people speaking. I'll show you the lineup of speakers. Then there is an expo hall. Okay, so expo hall, what happens in this expo hall? These are the stalls. People can go to any stall that they want and then see how the stall is. Okay, when there is a stall, there is in each stall, this is a gold stall, there's a platinum stall, there is silver stall, etc. So people can download brochures, they can see the video on each stall. There is a person talking. They can either go to if they want to interact with the person in the stall, they can have a quick chat mention, if you can see here, where they can text chat. For every stall, there is, for a platinum and a gold diamond stalls, there is a video chat option, which will take you to a room like this, a Zoom meeting room, right? They can have a one-to-one video chat, quickly video chat with the person to close the deal, to give more information. So there is an in-person feeling, of somebody who's going to be there and talking. So that is how the entire thing is working. So this is like a platinum stall which has 2 video chat rooms. There is an image gallery here. There's a virtual tour, space where if you have a store, if you have a gold or silver store, this virtual tour can, you can upload a video which has the entire store covered. So you can show them anything, any of your products, your specialities, etc. Brochure is of course your profile and details that you want to show. Video again. So the best part about it is there is enough space, like there are about 8 to 9 ways of interacting with the person in the stall. Okay, so that's the whole idea with these things. And then there is, I've shown you this. So this is like the basic stall, which still has, chat option, which has promo option. Here you can put your number. Here you can put your name and number. Anywhere you think there is a space for you to interact with people. However you want to take it forward, we'll help you integrate this entire thing. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, and then there is a networking lounge, where if you want to talk to somebody who you've met in this entire exhibition, you can go to the networking space and talk to that person. There's a networking space as well. So we are uploading the agenda of the entire thing. So that is the whole experience of espousal. The whole idea was to make it look like a wedding expo, right? That's why the grandness and chandeliers and prettiness in that entire thing. There's a lot of space for promotion. There's a lot of scope for, since it is our platform, we can do what you want. We can customize the whole experience. If you have a person who wants to talk about gold jewelry, etc., we can make this entire thing look like their brand. Okay, so that's the best thing about virtual. They can be anywhere in the world and they can still promote themselves. They don't have to travel down anywhere. So this is espousal. I'm not going to take too much time on this. What I'm requesting for as part of espousal, number one, if you think you are interested or somebody who's interested, please reach out to me. I will put my number in the chat box right away. You can go ahead and call me, ask me for details. We have a detailed presentation on espousal, which explains each stall. Each stall is explained in detail. What do they get for it? Who are the speakers? Everything. I'll send you the deck. We can go ahead with that as well. If anybody is interested, number two, if anybody is interested in performing, right, as a part of, you think it's a great platform that you want to reach out to, let me know, right? We can create a space. There is space break time. We can figure out how we can plug that whole thing into that. If you think there is a space for you to host something as MCs, as somebody who's conducting events, you want to do something with respect to hosting, speaker, etc., let me know. The idea is we want to give GWN members as much visibility as possible. Okay, that's the idea. Okay, so if you think you've got something that you can share it with us, that we can promote you, let us know. In all these matters, please get back to me or anybody from GWN team. We will be able to help you with that. So yeah, that's espousal happening September 11th and 12th. There's a lot of, I'll see if I can share the website immediately. Website, and this is the lineup of speakers. I wanted to show you this just to keep you posted that, these are the speakers from all over the world who's coming down for the event, coming down virtually. Yes. So it's going to be a great experience. It's a lot of details can be shared with you once you let us know you're interested to take it forward in your city. We are looking for representatives, volunteers for this event. We want volunteers as well. Yeah, artists, volunteers who are interested to lead something in this entire game. Please let us know if you're interested. We'll be very happy to have you on board. Yeah. Great. Thank you so much. That was espousal. So now moving on to our guest quickly. Murtaza, great to have you here. So if you're ready, I want to just chat up with you. Where is he? Yes, again. Okay. Okay, great.
Hi again. Namaste from Turkey.
How is the wedding industry in Turkey, Murtaza? What is happening?
I mean, wedding industry in Turkey, not bad actually. Last 1 week, I visited 3 Turkish local wedding. Turkish wedding like an Indian wedding. We have a lot of, family members. I just came from them the Saturday, 1,000 weddings, then after 12-hour drive, yeah. But unfortunately, we have social distance, there is no food, not really big parties, But this will be, we will pass this soon, after 3-4 months. And because wedding industry is one of the big industries, with the MICE industries,
Yes,
and then
Turkey's biggest destination.
Yeah, Turkey's biggest destination, and also Turkish people. They want to make a wedding in another country. Mostly Turkish people have wedding in Italy, Spain, USA, and Latin America. They are going to who have money. But now is the unfortunately stopped the wedding, because they are afraid to traveling with the coronavirus. But after 3-4 months, I believe, actually 2 months is very important for our industry because the COVID-19 injection, Russia, they just announced them the day find it. I think in 2 months, I'm expecting the Germany, USA, of course, India, they will gonna publish them, they will find the injection for COVID-19. 2021, it will be back again, but the 2022, we will be so busy with a lot of weddings, a lot of inquiries, because everybody, they were mostly people have a marriage one time in their lifetime, they want to have a great wedding and the invitation. And we are Turkey as a country, we are ready. And then the small wedding, and we already opened our border, and Turkish Airlines ready to fly them over Turkey. 320 destinations they published, and we are expecting also India to open the border and airport, so we can fly again to connecting, And thank you very much for inviting me. I'm glad to be here. I'm glad to be part of with you guys, because India is my home. I love India. I've been in India, all over India. As I said earlier, I have more Turkish friends than India. And India is my home, and in Turkey, in Turkey, everybody call me Indian Murti, you understand what I mean?
So good to hear that. Today we are, celebrating Indian Independence Day. Okay, and so glad to hear about our country from you that you love it, and it's mutual. We really are looking forward to collaborating with you and see how we can get the warmth of Indian hospitality and the wedding industry out there. How we can work together. So good to have you.
Manasa, let me tell you about India. India, they don't know how much state power, one of the best hospitality, wedding, incentive. And I think India is one of the main product is people. People is really, really friendly, Of course, bad people there too, but mostly is honest people, polite and smart, intelligent people. You understand what I mean?
Thank you.
Honestly, I'm glad, because working with India, and I learned from Indian a lot, honestly, because you guys do very good business, and then people said Israel, but I believe, you guys better than Israel, honestly, and then you use technology, especially your young generation, amazing,
right.
Unbelievable, and since 2006, I'm in Indian market, so I go every year and every year. Maybe I have already been in India more than 100 times. Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
So maybe Manasa, I'm more Indian than yourself. Don't be jealous, please.
I'm actually doubting that. Suddenly, I'm like, okay, I was doing my math. Good to have. We are very, very happy. Any day, somebody who says I'm more Indian than you, I'll be very happy.
Ladies, we handle another. Let me complete with this. We handle 3,500 Indian incentive for Sun Pharma, and
right.
Very good people, especially owner. He's one of the 27 richest people around the world. He's very good, friendly, polite. They understand what I mean.
Right.
And
great.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Murtaza. We would extend our hospitality, like I said. Let us know any way we can help you in, your venture in the whole, as a community, we are extending our support. And I'm taking it for granted that anything in Turkey, you are the man to go to, isn't it?
Thank you very much. I'm here, as an Indian Murti. That, I also opened an Indian restaurant in Cappadocia. And everybody told me, guys, people open Italian restaurant, and French restaurant. Why you open an Indian restaurant? I opened my own restaurant in Cappadocia, Indian restaurant, called Indian Bollywood Restaurant in Cappadocia.
Are you serious? Oh my God!
I'm serious. अच्छा है, yeah. Turkey is those country.
बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है.
Oh, that's it. ठीक है. Let me say, खाना खाया everybody? Okay, nahi khaya, but okay.
Nahi khaya, but it's okay. Oh, nice. I'm very excited. You just brought a lot of smiles. I can see everybody smiling. Thanks to you. So happy to have
Manasa,
you.
one more thing. Let me add one more. We do the tourism industry. We should take care.
Sorry, okay. My bad.
Yeah, it's recorded, no problem. We should take care of our jobs, we look after our jobs, tourism industry. Do you understand what I mean? We cannot go to do the farming or any other industries, do you understand? We should think positive, do you understand? Leave it all negative, leave it all the stress out, and think positive, get well, all is well, with all our industry. We should keep hand all together, strongly. Thank you.
Super. Thank you so much. Thanks for those words. Much needed during these times. I'm very, very happy and thankful. Please accept our Indian gratitude towards sparing your time and being part of our meeting. It's so good to see you. I can see a lot of smiles thanks to you and your kind words. We would be very happy to collaborate with you however possible, Murtaza. Let us know. We are one call away, literally. And anything related to Turkey, I take it for granted from the entire team here online saying we will contact you if anything comes by, right?
Thank you. Also, Manas, last word, I want to thank the Kitsia Morales, our president, IADWP, our head of Mexico City, and thanks to Warren, he invited me. Include me to your community. I'm glad to be here, and Siddharth and yourself, all my brothers and sisters from India. Thanks to all of them.
Thank you. The next time you are here, you have a lineup of people who would want to host you for lunch and dinner. That's from us.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Done. Thank you, Murtaza. Please stay back.
Thank you.
We have one of our really famous DJs, DJ Sunny, who's going to be playing some Bollywood music. You might want to hear and take him to Turkey to play in your restaurant.
Okay.
So cute. Thank you so much. Okay, great. Sunny, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay, now we're going to take a Sunny break. He's going to make us dance 10 minutes, Sunny.
Disclaimer, guys, I've never sat really and DJed before. So, don't judge me on that. Just try to make my fellow members have a happier and better meeting. Alright, guys, mute yourselves for better audio experience.
अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है.
Are you ready? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Murtaza, come on.
अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है.
Punjabi. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Whoever dances well won a free ticket by Murtaza to Turkey. What do we say? Arti! Some Indian touch.
Girl, you're my chamacachalo. Where you go, girl, I'm gonna follow. What you want, girl, just let me know. You can be my
chamacachalo.
Shorty, I'm gonna get ya. You know I'm gonna get ya. You know I'll even let you be my
Bam, 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 bam.
Yes, I sharmana aja nachte dikhare. Ha meri hole aja pari da girare. Ha meri akhiyon se akhiyan milare. Ha tu na nakhre dikha. Wanna be my chamachalo. Wanna be my chamachalo. Wanna be my chamachalo. Wanna be my chamachalo.
Alam Puchkari. Akash on fire. Sing along, sing along.
इतना मजा क्यों आ रहा है तूने हवा में भांग मिलाया अपना नशा क्यों हो रहा है आंखों से मीठा तूने
अजय जी थोड़ा नाच लो यार. Mridula Manasa, move. Turkey.
खराब करे गलती बेहिसाब करे तो पल की
Mohit
उड़ी पूरे सारे ख्वाब करे क्या करने हैं उम्रों के वादे ये जो रहते हैं रहने दे आने दो बार नहीं एक बार सही एक रात की कर ले तू यारी सुबह तक मांगे मेरी बात तू ऐसे सोचना
घुंघरू टूट गई
घुंघरू टूट गए घुंघरू टूट गए
Whoever dances, free entry to my next private party of Zoom. Be a Zoom bomber. Do the Monica step, come on. Rajgala menswear, come on. Give it for Mridula, come on. Mr. Varun. Oh yes. Give it for Mr. Varun. Hiraj. Thank you guys so much. That was some time for you guys. I hope you guys had a ball of a time. And if you guys are wearing Indian wear, unfortunately, you have to change your clothes very soon. Like Akash, he's fully decked up and all that. If you, it's a pro and con of wearing Indian wear today, actually, guys. Mansi tricked you into it. Thank you guys so much. That was a little bit from my end to entertain you. Thank you.
Yes, as always, he's the rock star DJ Sunny that we have in the house. And
take me to Turkey.
Fabulous job. Fabulous job. The
Thank
only
you,
guy
Manasa.
I just to just say, okay, Sunny, your time, and then that's all. Forget it. You know, he's going to do
Thank you so much.
So guys, Sunny is from Chennai, but he will play virtually all around the world. Murtaza, you should take my word for it. He's one of the best we've got. So anything happening in your restaurant or anywhere where anybody's getting married, tell them they need to listen to this Bollywood music, okay? And they'll go mad. And considering it's the Indian Independence Month, right? GWN wants to support all businesses which are selling, supporting Indian products. Indian handicrafts, Indian sustainable products. If you are somebody who's running Indian sustainable products or handicrafts, anything very Indian, please reach out to us, specifically Siddharth. He is going to make sure that we build a plan to promote you. You will be on our social media, on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube videos. We'll do your Know Your Member, everything. However we can, we will promote you. This month is dedicated to India. Anything that you are doing, that's Siddharth's number, related to Indian product services, let us know. If you have any offers to offer GWN members, that's the next announcement that I have. If you have any offers as a venue, as a musician, as a wedding planner, as a decorator, as a clothes person, designer, artist, whatever it is, whatever your profession is, if you think you have a special offer for GWN members, you need to contact Siddharth again. We are curating an entire membership space, okay, wherein we can tell GWN members what are they getting out of these memberships, right? They're getting a lot of discounts. What are these discounts? We already have a venue. We already have somebody with the product. We have somebody who does, artists, a couple of them, who have given us their offers. It can be a percentage off. It can be, offers with respect to extended period of use. It can be anything related to buy one, get one free, whatever it is. It can be a limited offer. It can be an unlimited offer. Whatever your offer is, please reach out to Siddharth. He will be able to help you curate that offer for GWN members only.
Have just a new URL of our website, globalweddingnetwork.net. In that, all the zone details are given and all the core team details are given. So you can pick up from the details from our websites. I am just telling the URL, globalweddingnetwork.net. Okay,
right. We can put it up in the chat box, and you can't go from the link from Zoom chat box, but please copy that and paste it. All details that we are talking now with respect to collaboration, with respect to our India month, the Independence month, and this will be up on our website. You can go take the details there and reach out to people. Zonal heads information is available. You can reach out to them as well. Yes.
Query for wedding in Mahabalipuram.
Okay, awesome.
So if you guys can send me some, videos and photographs and, some codes for the destination, for the venue. So that will be appreciated.
Yes. Maybe if we can put Mridula's number. Wow. That's it. I think in one of the meetings, I got Neeti, then I'm pitching for Sunny, and now Mridula is getting somebody. So I'm telling you, this group is going crazy. I really want to, at the end of at the end of August, I want to see how much money this group is making. Okay, we'll track that. Okay, super. So anybody specifically wants to connect with anybody, this is the time for you to call out for it, like Mridula did. Thank you, Mridula, for starting that. Or you have any positive experience that you want to share, this is the time. After this, we will be doing a breakout room for 10 minutes. So we have about 3-4 minutes for sharing. Any sharing you want to talk, connect with somebody, please raise your hand. We'll unmute. Oh, you're not able to unmute. Okay, Anita, I'm going to unmute. Up unmute. Okay.
Thank you so much. This is my first meeting here with the Global Wedding Network. I've been more active on the WhatsApp group and not so active still, yes. But yes, good vibes have come up, and looking forward to lots of collaborations. And if anybody wants any help, whether it's GWN or any members out here, if they need any help, whether it's collaborations or otherwise, please let me know. I'm open to it. I've put my number in the chat box. If still anybody wants to connect, please do let me know. All the best.
Great.
And Mridula, I need Mridula's number, please. I need Mridula's.
She'll share her number in the chat. Yes, super. Lot of people wanting to help Mridula. आपको बहुत सारे call आने वाले हैं Mridula जी. Okay, super. Great. So anybody wants to share positive experience about the meeting, about the association, this is the time. Please type in the chat window or raise your hand, whatever works. We'll just unmute you. Go Sunny. 1 second. Yeah.
I think, it feels like we are a really huge family. It's so happy, to see people who are really loyal to the group who are coming back. And all I can say is the more you visit the group, the more business you get, the more visibility you get in a very positive way. And thanks to the founders of GWN, we should really appreciate them. Because of them, today we actually can meet people who are sitting in Turkey and people who are sitting in other countries as well. So in a way, maybe sooner or later it's good for us, and I appreciate everybody being here. If I could take the liberty, Manasa, I can see a lot of familiar faces all the time. So, kudos to you guys who keep coming ahead, and I'm looking forward to bring more potential people in this group so that we can extend our hand in helping out really good people as well.
Thank
From
you,
different
Sunny.
cities as well. Thank you so
Thank
much, guys.
you.
Thank you for having me here.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the support. Thank you for just being there. You're like that one person I know who's there behind the screen saying, tell whatever you want, I'll get it done. So thanks for being that for GWN. Okay, Super Mohit. So.
Yes. I think I just want to add a few more stuff to Sunny as well. Just scenario when we go like back to January and February, our networks and we were like this. And now, after I think me constantly meeting everyone, now our networks have gone like this. And as event planners, we have been starting watching people like this. And I just wanted to share one more thing. Even when you're playing cards game, right? You're sitting opposite to people, so your cards are generally like this. You don't want to show it to anyone. But I think as event planners, this is given as an open mind, saying that "Arey yaar, tu bhi dekh le, saath mein karte." That mindset, that mind shift has changed for people, and I think it's a really wonderful thing. And it is the best part is it's just virtual. You have not even met people, and you can connect to them, you can talk to them, you can call them and message them, and I think that's the beautiful part of collaboration. And looking forward for more and more. And GWN team, you guys are doing a great job. Manasa, Akash, Siddharth. I've known you guys before all of these, but then it always makes as Sunny also mentioned, you keep meeting, and the collaboration and the bond builds, and I think that's where the relationship builds to more of business. So yes, thank you so much for this, guys.
Super. Thank you so much for attending week on week and just being there, Mohit. It really makes us gives us a warm feeling saying all of us are in it together. Great. Thank you so much. Thank you. Aarti wants to speak, and then Neeti, then Neeraj.
Yes. Last meeting I missed. Then I watched that video of your meeting.
Your voice is breaking, Aarti.
Speak. So, like every Monday, it will be like a Sunday is that we get the fuel to reach to everyone, all the team members. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So sweet. So sweet.
I just want to add to what Mohit and Sunny said. Right now, I am from Chennai, so until now it was only about Chennai. But thanks to this platform of GWN, now I'm doing an event with Manasa, who's sitting in Bangalore, and that's the beauty of it. Now distance doesn't matter at all. Now it's all over India, and thanks to GWN, it's all over the world also. So great work. And the best part is the way you guys give us opportunity every time. Like every time there's an opportunity, it's all about you to grab it and make it work. So thank you so much, and great work. Thank
you. Thanks for being so awesome. Great. I think Murtuza wants to leave. Before that, I want him to give last his words.
Yeah. Thank you, Manasa, again. Thank you for inviting me again. I wanted few words. I would like to announce to I forget Arun Uday. He's my assistant. He's the Indian chapter for the International Association of Destination Wedding Professionals. He's the India chapter, and he's my assistant. I'm the European Asia head chapter. And 19 August at Turkish time, 5 p.m. Turkish time, we have a Zoom meeting. All of you welcome, and Kitya Morolas, and we have few other speakers. Please join us. We will become a big family. Thanks for again invitation, because a lot of people think negative. They stay at home, things badly. You guys take a responsibility, and you put together, online, and everybody have free word. I really appreciate it, all of you, because you guys maybe first time bad happened in India, but last 5 years in Turkey, we have military coup, terror attack, so many bad things. Now we used to, you understand? That's why we are not worried much. Also, I'm calling to all my Indian brothers and sisters, please don't worry, everything will be fine, 2021 and 2022. Just think positive, stay positive, all is well, Thank you again for your great invitation. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, namaste. Thank you. Thank you so much, Murtaza. Thank you. Super. All of us will do namaste and thank Murtaza, okay? At the count of 3, 2, 1.
Neeraj, sir.
Oh, you want to take a picture? Okay. Murtaza is saying he wants to take a picture.
May I publish also on my site? Yeah, if you
Please
don't
go for it.
mind.
Please go
Yeah,
for
please
it.
say namaste to all.
Okay, namaste, one for Murtaza.
Thank you. Love you guys.
Okay. Thanks for spreading that.
Bye bye, guys from Turkey. Love you all from Turkey.
Bye, Murtaza.
Thank you.
Okay. Wow.
Neeraj.
Amazing. Just 3 simple words: connect, collaborate, and celebrate. That is all that we are here to do on GWN. So, I mean, guys, a beautiful opportunity, and something like this couldn't have happened. So, I really thank COVID-19 from the bottom of my heart. Nobody does that. I have such wonderful friends here, and I'm sure we are virtual today. We will meet very soon. Thank you.
Yeah. It's like that dating thing, Neeraj. We have dated enough. When we meet, we'll be like, chalo, abhi kaam karte hain. Ho gaya. All the, basic understanding is done. The homework is done. Super. Thanks, Neeraj. Thanks for being there and supporting all the time. You are one of those people who are moving our, zone engine all the time. Thank you. Yes, Raj. Last sharing. Okay, guys, we are running short of time. Sorry. After that.
Sure. It was totally a refreshing moment right now. Meeting के साथ खेलना कूदना, मैं नाच भी नहीं सकता था क्योंकि मेरे आगे वहाँ पे कस्टमर्स भी थे. मैं नाच भी नहीं सकता था और वो यहाँ से वो बोल रहे थे सनी राज डांस, मैं कर भी नहीं सक रहा था. तो वो पागल हो गया कैसा बोलते थे, इसलिए मैं वो डांस भी नहीं कर रहा था. पर अगर अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट फॉर दिस ग्रुप, थैंक्स टू पैम फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी एवरी टाइम. एंड वन मोर थिंग जस्ट आई कैन से फॉर दिस ग्रुप, फेविकॉल का एक स्लोगन है, बहुत जूना भी है और सबको पता भी होगा कि फेविकॉल का मजबूत जोड़ है, टूटेगा नहीं. लाइक दिस फॉर दिस ग्रुप, GWN का ग्रुप है, टूटेगा नहीं.
Raj, Raj, if your customer is watching you dance with your amazing, what you're wearing, your menswear, trust me, dude, instead of buying 1, you'd have bought 5 and you'd have tagged me, अरे सनी तूने मेरे को embarrass कर दिया, पर वो 5 लेके गया. Thanks यार.
और वो भी डांस करना भी है ना, वो शादी के बाद ही सीखा हूँ.
We'll take it from there onwards offline. The topic.
Thanks. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys.
Thanks, Raj. Thanks, Honey. Okay, super. So that was, quick recap of how the meeting was and how all of you are part of this family now. And we'll be doing this not next week, after that. Meanwhile, through the week, I really request you to connect with the zonal heads. Give them your information for Know Your Member. We are taking names. We are just prioritizing. I know a couple of you from here who's requested. We are just streamlining the process, and in the next 1 week we'll have at least 4 or 5 Know Your Members. Number 2, with respect to espousal, treat it as your own. I have got a lot of names with respect to whoever is interested to volunteer. I'm going to contact you in the next 2-3 days. We're going to have a one-to-one and figure it out. Number 3, see how you can add more members to this group so that this family just becomes bigger, because a lot of things are coming up in September, October. Before that, we want to build this team fully strong and then start on war footing. Okay, so that's all from us. Thank you so much for attending. We're going to have a speed networking session now. Whoever wants to stay back can stay back about 5 to 6 minutes. You will be assigned to a room. Last time we had great results out of that, so we're continuing that. 10 minutes, Varun? 10 minutes is what we have? Yeah, okay. So on behalf of the entire GWN team, I want to thank everybody for being part of this meeting today. Thank you so much. We will catch up with you a week after this. So till then, take care of yourself and celebrate. That's about it. So